the middle of nowhere. I don't know where together. It is required. Not always, but it is required. For those of you who are all very specialists in what they do and very, very support.
With small customers or farmers, also we are tackling opinion leaders, because we need to get them on board, just to get also a level of attention or even investment from their side. So we are also dealing with international organization that because it's, you know, that Africa is a land of opportunities, and we know that there is abundance of arable land that we are not taking advantage.
Financing, so that they can purchase the tractor. And also, so the now is also working with the local bank, like Equity Bank. So they can give the very good financing scheme to available to the Kenyan farmer. So not just machine, not just distribute all the service, and also finance scheme. So all the ecosystem is quite important. We need to work as a team, so that the Kenya can be making to the next step as agriculture leading countries in the continent.